Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Friday, the 18th of September, 2020. Taking a look at our homework for this weekend. You need to finish your MobyMax placement test if you have not yet done so. Hopefully, we were able to do that in either math class or Warrior time. In science, there is no homework. In social studies, there's no homework as well. Language arts, there's no homework. Literature, one thing to keep in mind, 3 weeks from today is October 9th. That is when our AR goal is due for the first quarter. Keep reading and taking AR tests. I know a lot of you took AR tests today, which was awesome. In careers in life, you need to work on your research project. If you have more still to do, then you can be done in class Monday. You also need to put time into your goal for working on working project. Review on quizzes and review classwork for a test on Monday. It's going to be it for today. This is Mr. Sperling signing off. Everybody have a fantastic weekend, and we'll see you Monday.